Ciao Eric, ciao Anaïs, ma guarda che bello il vestito. Ciao. Come vi sentite?
After some breathing exercises and meditation, we did some more exercises. Amelia was having fun with the resistance band, and Anais tried it a bit too. Then it was the time to go to Venice. I had to take a tram first, then the bus. To reach the island, it will take around 20 minutes.
Don't hide the tears, 'cause I know you're breaking. All this love and all this pain you've given. All this love and all.
So here I am in Venice after all these years. I have a lot of memories from here because we used to meet around this area and then go to school this way. So this is Piazzale Roma, by the way. I was a bit sad that it was the fog on the bridge, because actually when you enter the bridge you could clearly see the Venetian skyline, which is, you know, it's really nice. The fog is quite usual for Venice for this period of the year. Tickets to Venice costs €1.50. This place brings a lot of memories. So Luca and Elena are not here yet. They will let me know as soon as they will arrive with the car. And let's go and I will show you the canal. This is the Calatrava bridge, and then you go to the train station this way. And it's actually quite magical because I used to go from here to school every day.
Dopo quanti anni?
Dopo tanti anni!
Dopo una
vita.
Here I am with Luca and Elena, which are my dear friends, and we went to this Baccaro d'Alele, which is a very historical, very nice place where you can have for a honest price, you know, some cicchetti and also something to drink. And we came by here, and this is where I lived for maybe a few years, if I remember correctly. This was the window of my room. Hola. Ciao Luca. So we are in Zatere now, and this is the Giudecca Canal on this side. This is actually a very beautiful, very pleasant walk, because you have the nice view to the Giudecca Canal. It's foggy today, but it's still beautiful. Someday I will find you, shooting star. Sono emozionatissimo di darvi questi regali. Elena?
Mamma che bello! Già il sacchettino è bellissimo.
Basta.
Il pacchettino.
Adesso tocca a Luca.
Super.
Va bene.
In my head there are mountains, endless sunsets, rivers and streams in my dreams. Blue skies, I see your eyes.
Before we move on with the video, I would like to say a huge thank you to the people that are part of Beauty on Art family on Patreon. Thanks a lot, guys. In case you'd like to know more details about Beauty on Art family, please check the link in the description below. Thanks a lot.
Without you, the sky won't ever change. Without you, without you. I'll go chasing.
Che pizza hai ordinato te, Elena?
Come si dice?
Batti?
Battipaglia.
No, batti.
È difficile, pomodorini gialli, olive e capri e mozzarella.
Provola, no, pomodorini gialli, provola, olive e mozzarella, quella è la tua. La mia è pecorino, pomodorini e basilico.
Poi c'è dell'origano e peperoncino.
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 E poi del...
Buona, quella che preferisci? Con questo.
Devo ancora assaggiare.
Here we are at the Bridge of Sights, as you can see behind me, and then there is a gondola right there. I wanted to share something really interesting, and I think that's a good location. So something really magical happened. Again, talking about the law of attraction. Somehow today, throughout the day, at least a couple of times, there was this image of this person in my head. I don't know why I had this image of this person, because I haven't seen this person maybe in 5, 6 or maybe 7 years. I don't know. And but I had his image in my mind. Naturally, it came to me. Okay. Oh, there's a beautiful seagull there. And look, I saying in Italian is Venetian. The kogal. Okay. Hello. Hola. Ciao. And you. Okay. And you know, it happened that, you know, we had the conversation and I moved with the chair. We were close to the window. And this person came and passed with his wife in front of me. And this moment I was just watching outside the window. So it's the law of attractions that plays a key role in our daily life. We have to pay attention to it. But we are basically what we think, and we are like magnets. We attract things in our life when we think about them. So this is another example of how things work, right? Okay, so this is the beautiful San Mark Square.
Guarda Kira, no, si ferma un attimo. Come state? Andate in gondola? Andate in gondola? Una barca? Kira mangia, guarda Kira. Brava. Abbraccio di gruppo con Kira. Cosa fai lì? Eh?